Okay, class.
Yes.
Can someone tell me what the base is? Alicia?
The base is the number
The number that is what?
that is being multiplied.
That is being used as a factor, right? It is the number that is being multiplied. Amen?
Amen.
Or the number that is being used as a factor. And then we have a little bitty number that's on top to the right of that number, which is the base. On top of that base, there's a little number. What is that number called? Melody?
The exponent.
The exponent. Can you tell us what an exponent is?
An exponent is how many times the base is multiplied.
So how many times it'll be factored, right? So right here in this instance, we have the example is the number of calories in 6 pancakes can be written as 10 to the third power with the 3 exponent. Oh man, I said that wrong, huh? Did I say that wrong? Yes or no? What's the more collegiate way of saying that, Melody?
10 cubed.
10 cubed. So we're going to write 10 cubed as a product of the same factor. Then find the value. Since we have 10 cubed, it equals to 10. Everyone repeat after me and go.
10
Times
times
10
10
times
times
10.
10.
Remember last night's homework where we kept saying 256 would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then it just kept going on and on and on, right? There's a simpler way to do that. And we're just going to count. We're just going to write down the base or the number that is being factored and how many times we're factoring it, which is the exponent. So 10 times 10 equals 100 times 10 equals 1,000. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1,000. 6 pancakes have 1,000 calories. Amen?
Amen.
So this right here is the base. And the little number is the exponent. Right? Now, numbers expressed using the exponents, these guys right here are called powers. Everyone say power.
Power.
Remember, this is called a power, which is the exponent. And what did we say earlier that the kind of power we don't want to have? What was it called? Isabel?
Killy.
We don't want killy power, right?
Yes.
We just want powers in exponents and in math. Big bad amen?
Amen.
Now, when we have these powers, whenever it's to the second power, we are not going to say 10 to the second power. We're going to say something else. Sophia, can you tell me what it is?
10 squared.
10 squared. I don't ever want you guys to say 10 to the second power. Amen?
Amen.
And then, if we have another number that's to the third power, there's a better way of saying it. And yes, how do we say it?
Cube.
Cube. So this would be 10 cubed. 3 would be cubed. 2 would be squared. And any other number would be to that power. So 10 with the 10 exponent would be 10 to the 10th power. Amen?
Amen.
Any questions about that? So when we do our work, it is very, very important that you please follow the directions. Because if you don't follow the directions tonight, when we correct this tomorrow, it might be wrong. Write each product using an exponent. 10 times 10 equals what in powers, class? I want everyone to tell me. 1, 2, ready, go. 10
squared.
Number 3, 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 equals what?
8 to the 4th power.
Then we have number 4, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 4. What is that to the power? And using an exponent. Go.
3 to the 6th power.
And then we have 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So many words. I'm getting tired. Give me that using exponents.
5 to the 5th power.
Right here, 8 to 11, we are doing write each power as a product of the same factor. That's pretty easy. Some of you guys are not giving me the value. What is the value? Delilah.
The complete number.
No complete number sentence. or the answer. Right, Isabel? Is that what you were going to say? Okay, I want all of that. For this one, from 12 to 15, write the prime factorization of each number using exponents. So we're going to do a factor tree first, right? And after we do that, we're going to do this. And after we get the prime factorization, we are going to add our number, base number, with our power or exponent. So 5 to the 5th power. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Is this easy or hard?
Easy.
That'll be our homework for tonight. I hope you guys refer to this video. And here is our thing. And I hope you guys have a fun time doing this. Is this easy? Okay. Class.
Yes.
I want everyone